I have spent literal months researching different ways on how to create professional and economical nice junk merch to sell on my website, nicejunk.ca. And here is the solution. Let's get this thing unboxed and see if it's a shop gem or just something else to throw in a pile of scrap and waste more money on. So here's the solution. The Vevor swing arm heat press. We're going to try this out. See how difficult it is? It's really easy to put together. There's only 4 suction cup feet. This little control box. Screw that in. Put the plug on. And that was it. It also comes with this hat press, plate press, and over here, those 2 items. Comes with 2 different mud presses for different size tumblers, instructions, and some tools and nuts and bolts and stuff. What we're going to do is we're going to put a piece of parchment paper there, get a brand new t-shirt. We're going to slide that underneath. Like that. Now I'm just new to all this, so I am going to give that a press for a few minutes, take the wrinkles out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should take the wrinkles out. Slide that around. Oh yeah, that's nice. Now I'm going to take this nice junk logo and just put it on the breast. Take another piece of parchment, put over top. You want the parchment so it doesn't stick the inks to your machine. Now I'm going to press this. Turn on the start button. It's going to do a countdown. Bring that away. I'm just going to give that a couple seconds to cool off. Not. There we go. We're going to take the parchment again. Give it one more shot. Start the timer. I've got it set at 330 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 seconds. Bring that away. And there we go. One brand new branded t-shirt. What a nice looking logo that is. So that's my tool of the week. If you have a business that you want to start branding, on your shirts, maybe it's just for your employees, or maybe you want to sell some merch. Good for YouTube channels. It's good for all kinds of things. And there's so many things you can brand. I actually watched a video where they're even branding car fresheners. You can do the mugs and the plates and the hats, and there is so much that you can do. You can even do your own trophy plaques because you can put this stuff on metal. There's so many options. If you're serious about growing your business, your YouTube channel, you need to get one of these. Get you going, make a few dollars selling merchandise. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe. And that was some nice junk.